Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel, working on a front-loading washing machine, and I'm going to show you how to locate your counterbalance springs as well as how to replace them. Inside of the washing machine now, and step one, safety first always. Cut all electrical power to the washing machine. Because mine is a stackable unit, I have a bracket here, 2 Phillips screws on the back side. Take those off, remove this bracket. Next we have to shift this whole top back, and by doing that, on the bottom of Phillips screw, right there, you only need to remove the bottom Phillips screw. Screws are removed, and then you can just shift this back. Notice the gap. After shifting this entire piece back, go ahead and remove it completely. With the cap off, you can see the entire inside of the actual washing machine and all of its parts. Here's the counterbalance spring, one on the right side, an additional one on the left side down here. And over time, the tension loosens up, these wear out, they rust, they break. This little hook where it connects into the actual washing machine portion here, that can snap, and that will cause this entire washing machine bowl to wobble like crazy. So go ahead and check those out, make sure those are replaced. They're a very inexpensive repair. Let's go get the cover plate and reinstall that. 2 Phillips screws on the back side. Cover plate back on and secure. Last step is to plug the washing machine back in and run a cycle. That's it. I hope the video helped. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on your YouTube notifications. By that, every video we upload, you will be notified. You'll be able to stay in tune with us, and that is awesome. Thanks again.